Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to export multiple CorelDraw file as PDF, just like what you see right here. I have about 3 different CorelDraw file right here, and I want to export it as a single PDF file. How do you do that? The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Export. The next thing you want to do is to choose your save destination. I'm going to save this to my desktop. And I'll come down to save as type right here. I will make sure I click on Adobe Portable Document Format. Then I'll come down below right here, click on Export. And this is going to pump up right here. Now, so by default, we have current document, current page, documents, and pages right here. By default, everything is 1. So if you want to compress everything into a single PDF file, that is the 3 pages, it might be more than that. So what you need to do is to click on select document right here. Once you select document, you have all the file right here. So if you want to export everything as PDF, leave all these 3 on check right here. And right here, come down below right here and simply hit on OK. And in a few seconds, your file is going to be exported and successfully saved as PDF. After a successful save, just like what you see right here, I'm going to minimize my Corel. Then I have the PDF right here. I'm going to press Enter key on my keyboard. Then instantly, the PDF is going to load, just like what you see right here. You can see all the file now as being on a single PDF file. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.